Example 26, solve the linear inequality and give one example of a solution, one example of a non-solution. So since this is already in slope-intercept form, we just have to graph. So my slope is 1/7. My y-intercept is -7. So I start my graph at -7. And then slope is 1/7, so I go up 1 to the right 7. Okay, and now I have to figure out what type of line I draw. Looking at the inequality symbol is just greater than, so I know that my solution will not be on the line. So I draw a dashed line. Okay, and then I do the same thing for the second inequality. So my slope here is 11/7. My y-intercept is 3, so I start my graph at +3. And I go up 11 to the right 7. And then down 11 to the left 7. Okay, so looking at what type of line I draw, look at my inequality symbol again, so I have greater than. Since there's no or equal to, I know that I draw a dashed line, which means that I won't have a solution on the line. So I'm drawing a dashed line. Okay, and then to figure out my shading, I plug in the origin point. So going back to the green line, I plug in the origin point. So I have 0 is greater than 1/7 times 0 minus 7. 1/7 times 0 is 0, so I have 0 is greater than -7, and 0 is greater than -7, so I have to shade everything above the green line. So I'm shading this side because it includes the 0, 0 point. And then I do the same thing for the second inequality. I plug in the origin, the 0, 0 point. So I have 0 is greater than 11/7 times 0 plus 3. So if 0 is greater than 11/7 times 0 is 0 plus 3, which is 3. So 0 is not greater than 3, so I have to shade everything that's to the left or above the blue line. Okay, so a solution to this system is everything in black, not including the dash line. So for example, like -2, +2 would be a solution, and everything else in the that's shaded black. and then everything in pink, white, or green is not a solution. So you can pick any point really. I'm going to pick 5, 2 as my non-solution. So everything in this area right here is not a solution.